The day after the election, and I know many of you are very happy and many of you are very sad. It looks like the country is sort of split. But what I wanted to talk about today is what stocks will benefit from a Trump presidency. Many of you have been asking me this, and I think it's a difficult question to answer in the long term, but what I can tell you is what happened today, and it gives us a very good idea in terms of what groups were moving. So this is a heat map at FinViz, and it basically just shows how much stocks were up in various sectors. So if we just do a quick over this, it looks like financial stocks, especially the banks, were up a lot. It was a weak day for tech. Tech was weak. Consumer goods, consumer stocks were weak. Healthcare was strong, and basic materials were strong. So based on that overview, I just want to give you a couple stocks that I'm looking at trading that had some pretty big moves today, and I'm expecting the momentum to continue. So those would be, the first one would be Goldman Sachs. And this one's kind of surprising. Everyone seemed to be of the consensus that Hillary Clinton was a fan of the big banks, and had certainly given lots of speeches for Goldman Sachs. But it looks like the market is telling us that a Trump presidency will be good for Goldman Sachs as well. What I have here is a chart on freestockcharts.com. I've got a 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average is the red line. And what we can see here is that Goldman Sachs is just breaking to new highs. And what I like to see the 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average. And then the stock itself trading above the 50-day moving average. And I like to see these breakouts happening on a big uptick in volume. So down here I have the daily volume. This white line is the moving average, the 60-day moving average. And you can see today was a big move on higher than average volume. So I would expect this momentum to continue, at least for a few weeks in Goldman Sachs. I think that's an interesting trade. The other financial company is one we all know well, Sallie Mae, the company that does student loans. And obviously the market is thinking that a Trump presidency will be more friendly to Sallie Mae. And so we've got a similar pattern here, gapping to new highs. Very, very strong price move. It was up 18% today. But don't let that scare you off, because frequently stocks like this, the momentum will follow through. And again, it was on higher than average volume. Two more stocks I want to draw your attention to. Pharmaceuticals were quite strong today. Merck in particular is a real leader. And you can see all these charts are really looking similar. So again, basically at or near new highs, very nice uptrend on higher than average volume. The last one is Martin Marietta, and this is one that's really expected to benefit from any infrastructure spending that Trump does. Ticker's MLM, and you can see again very similar. This one's up 11.5% today on very good volume, big uptick in volume as well. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about how to make money trading stocks, just click on the link that's on your screen right now, or you can also click on the link in the description box that's below this video, and that will take you to a page where you can drop in your email, and I will send you my free special book on how to trade bouncing stocks. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button, because I'll be making a lot more of these videos at least once every week, and if you subscribe, you'll be one of the first ones to know when a new video is out. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them in the comment box below. And also, if there's a topic that you'd like me to cover in a future video, let me know in the comments. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.